We'll guide you through how to make text move from one side to center in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device. Then double-click the application to open it. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing your video. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings before starting the editing process. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings correctly. Next, open the Stock Media menu and select Favorites as an example to access available media assets quickly. Then add any motion background you want to the timeline, so your project has an animated visual background. Select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch issues during editing. Duplicate the motion background according to your needs so the duration is long enough for the text animation. Next, click the Titles menu to begin adding text into the project. Drag and drop default title into the timeline. Then adjust the duration so the text stays visible properly. Go to the right side to open the text panel where you can customize the appearance of the text. You can change the text to text move from one side to center so the animation purpose is easier to recognize. Adjust the alignment according to your needs so the text position looks balanced in the preview window. You can choose a style from the preset menu and also adjust the text size to match your project design. Move the timeline to the beginning, then scroll down on the right panel and move the X position to a minus value until the text is no longer visible in the preview. Next, click Add Keyframe Position to create the starting point of the animation. Then add a second keyframe and make sure the X position is 0 and the Y position is also 0 so the text stays in the center. You can adjust the keyframe positions again in the timeline for smoother movement. Next, click the full screen icon. Now you can see the result, and the text moving from one side to the center effect is successfully created.